Hi, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and an acupuncturist in Canada. In the five-element theory of traditional Chinese medicine, metal is an element very hard to understand. According to the general explanation, the metal's characteristic is that metal works for change, which means that metal can follow the human mind to change its shape. To understand this, think about the process of melting metal to make a metal object. The metal melts into a liquid at high temperature and is poured into a pre-made mold. For any metal, this liquid state cannot last long. By its nature, the metal will definitely cool down, contract, and finally solidify into a solid and cold object. This process shows that the metal qi is mainly astringent, inward moving direction. Another example of understanding metal's character is listening to metal's sound. When the church bell rings, the metal sound can clear people's cluttered thoughts, pull their minds together, and calm people down. As such, the sound of metal has this astringent effect. Similarly, on the battlefield in the old days in China, banging the gong, which was made of metal, was used to command soldiers to pull back and retreat. Opposite to the sound of drums, which belongs to Yang, making people excited and encouraging soldiers to fight, the sound of a gong, belonging to Yin, having inward and downward moving effects, creates a clearing and calming sensation, making people want to stay quiet. In nature, autumn shares characteristics similar to metal. When autumn comes, the weather will cool down from the hot summer and become colder and colder. The yang qi of the entire world shrinks, becomes astringent, and moves inwards and downwards. Animals start to store food, preparing for the cold winter. Trees shed the leaves and stores the essence in their roots. The world looks like all leaves, greens, and vitalities are cleared by a metal axe. The sky in autumn is usually high, clean, and clear. In humans, the lung has similar characteristics to metal. The alveoli of the lung are white, clear, and cool, occupying the highest position in the body. The main moving direction of lung qi is moving inwards and downwards. In the five-element theory in traditional Chinese medicine, it is extended that anything with the function or property of clearing, descending, and exchanging is attributed to metal. If you find my video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe to it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best!